In this video, we'll be having a look at the navigation available in brackets. Understanding how to use the navigation in brackets is an extremely effective way of increasing the speed at which you develop your projects. Navigate has a lot of interesting options, all of which are found here in the Navigate menu. The first one we'll look at is Quick Open. So click Quick Open, and you'll see a menu here at the top with the names of the files in your project. You can select a file, and it will open up and be added to your working files. You can also open the Quick Editor with Ctrl-Shift-O, and then you can start typing the name of your file. This is just a small project, but Quick Open is very useful for large projects with many CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files. This is similar to Find in Project, as in Sublime. Next, we'll have a look at GoToLine. To use GoToLine, press the GoToLine button in Navigate, or press its hotkey, Ctrl-G, and then type the line number you'd like to go to. As you can see, once I've typed in 3, it has highlighted line number 3. This is useful for large files with many lines of code in them. The next option is Quick Find Definition. To use Quick Find Definition, press Ctrl-T in a CSS file. You'll see you're automatically given an @ selector and a list of existing selectors that are written into the file. If you select one, it will highlight that in the file. This is useful for finding a list of selectors and choosing a selector in a large CSS file. The next option we'll be having a look at is Go to First Problem. So if you click Go to First Problem, it will highlight the first error that is selected by whatever linter is active in the current file. Here you can see there are 2 problems, and the first one is at line 1. Thus, when I selected Go to First Problem, I went to line 1. Pressing Ctrl-Tab and Ctrl-Shift-Tab will move forward and backwards in your working files, just like a normal text editor. Show in File Tree will reveal your currently open file in your project. This is a bit more useful if you have a much larger project with many nested directories. The remaining options, Quick Edit and Quick Docs, we have already explored in a previous tutorial. Well, I hope that increases your knowledge of navigation in brackets. Using navigation, you can quickly speed up your project development.